Thank you very much for choosing JBH wheelchair. My name is Kevin from JBH. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the box of D19B and have an initial setup. First, let's cut the top of the straps and also the tab on the top of the carton. Then we can open it up, and then we lay the whole carton down. That will allow us to drag out the units. It's really simple and easy. To open up the wheelchair is really simple and easy. Simply with a remote right inside the user's manual pack, you just take it out and touch the button and open. It will fully automatic open itself. Once the wheelchair already fully open, we just hold the top of the seat back, then we can just lay the wheelchair up, and then we can set up the seat cushion here on the top of the seat. And then seat back cushion with logo to the back, we just insert it into the space here. And the controller is really simple and easy. Just insert the pipe of the joystick controller under the pipe of armrest, and then we turn the knob to tight. Connect the wire to the joystick on the back. We insert it here, and then until we hear click sounds, it's already set. On the back, there are two levers that allow us to have wheel mode switch. You want to do manual control, simply just pull the lever to the back. It's kind of rotation to the back on both sides, and then we can push the wheelchair by hand. It's really simple and easy. If you want to do electric control, simply just rotate the lever to the front, and then we can access the wheelchair around, ready to go. Simply just put the lever of the armrest that we can flip up the armrest. Really simple and easy, allow us to access the wheelchair from the side. Or you can choose to go through the phones. It's really simple and easy. Simply just touch the power on. Don't worry about the power, it's actually been fully charged when it's went out of the factory. We simply just turn the power and then turn the joystick to the front or backwards, even right or left. Control is very simple and easy. Actually, there are two ways for charging the battery. You have two choices. First, you can choose the joystick control charging. It's a direct charge. Simply plug the charger plug here, and then you can connect to power source for direct charge to the wheelchair. Or if you want to have off-board charge, the battery design right on both sides of the frame. You simply touch the button here and then pull out the battery. It's really simple and easy. Right at the front end of the battery, you can find a charging port here. You simply just plug in the charger, and then you can take out the battery right inside your home, or you can take out the battery to any other location whenever there is a power source for charging. Touch the button unfold from remote control. We just fold up the wheelchair without any effort at all. I hope you found the initial setup and also unbox the D19B. It's really simple and easy for you because of automatic fold and unfold function. If you got any questions, please check out our user's manual, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Put your thumb up. Thank you much.